I'm working on a 2011 Porsche Cayenne. This has the 4.8 liter engine, just showing you where the thermostat is. First thing you have to do, as you can see, I already started. These bolts weren't falling off or anything. Is you take the drive belt off, take the drive belt pulley off, get the throttle out of the way. You don't have to get the throttle out of the way, but it's so easy. There's 4 bolts, and then you can see the water pump a little bit better. And obviously pull that air. This here comes off the front. This one was already damaged. It's supposed to have little pins that go on, but somebody put a clamp on it. It's totally fine. Yeah, so I'll show you where it is in a second. All right, so removing the water pump is pretty easy on this thing. There was just 5 bolts to get that out of the way, and the thermostat's right behind it. I already started pulling this out. You can see there's a little ledge there. It's usually flush with the water pump mating surface. So the procedure actually calls for this, which is really kind of funny. It's unlike Porsche to have a procedure like this where you have a string that you wrap around it and then use a screwdriver to pry it out. But whatever the case, I usually just take a hook tool like this, stick it in here and keep a little bit of tension on that, and then I get in there with the screwdriver, and after you disconnect this little plug here for the mapped thermostat, right here you can get in there and kind of pry a little bit from the backside too with the screwdriver until it kind of pops out. Once it's like this, you're on the home stretch and you can just kind of grab it right out of there like this. So it's not too bad of a job to do. Here it is. Make sure when you put it back in, you grease up the O-rings real nice, and then you put the sensor facing straight upwards. So thanks for watching.